Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is Hyderabadi egg dum biryani. Hyderabadi egg dum biryani is a flavorful and aromatic rice dish hailing from the city of Hyderabad, India. It is a delightful variation of the traditional biryani where eggs are used as a main protein instead of meat or chicken. Let's start the recipe. Take 2 cups of basmati rice and soak it for 20 minutes. In a vessel, add 6 cups of water. Boil the water and add 5 pods of slightly crushed cardamom. Now add 1 or 2 sticks of cinnamon as shown in the video. If you want less spicy, add 1 stick only. Add 8 cloves and 1 star anise. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now add soaked basmati rice. If the rice breaks as shown in the video, then the rice is perfectly half cooked. Drain the excess water from the rice. Now in a vessel add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Add 6 boiled eggs. Fry until eggs turn light brown color. Add few cashews. Fry until they turn light brown color. Add 1 small onion. Fry until onion turns light brown color. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 bay leaves, 3 red chilli, 1 tablespoon of shajira or black cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon of cumin. Add 4 to 5 chopped green chilies and 3 medium-sized onions. Saute until onion turns soft. Add 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute for 1 or 2 minutes. Add 2 big-sized tomatoes. Saute until tomatoes get mashed. Now add salt as per your taste, 1 3/4 tablespoon of red chili powder and 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder. Saute for 2 minutes on low to medium heat. Add some coriander. Now add 1 cup of curd. Add 3/4 tablespoon of garam masala. Mix well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low to medium heat. Now add boiled eggs. Cover eggs with the gravy and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer half of the egg masala into the plate. Add some coriander. Now spread half portion of the half-cooked basmati rice. Eggs are a good source of high-quality protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues, supporting muscle growth and maintaining overall health. Basmati rice, commonly used in biryanis, is a complex carbohydrate that provides a steady release of energy. It also contains dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain bowel regularity. Add removed egg masala. Add another portion of the half-cooked basmati rice. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in comments. Now add chopped coriander and mint. Sprinkle some garam masala on the top of the rice. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add fried onions and cashews. Close and cook for 15 minutes on low heat. Once cooked, mix gently. Very tasty and delicious Hyderabadi egg dum biryani is ready. You can serve this recipe as it is or you can serve with raita. More non-veg recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon and follow Shalini Cuisine Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.